Hi, welcome to the new section on Python programming made easy. So in this section we are going to take a look on 2D arrays and array references. So in the previous section we have looked at what are the different types of functions, list functions like the length, sum, max and minimum, and how we can able to define it on a set of integers, set of numbers and set of strings, set of characters in a string. So in this video we are going to take a look on 2D matrix creation, how we can able to create a row by column matrix, and how we can able to insert an element in the 2D matrix, that is 2D matrix manipulation, and and how we can able to what are the issues with matrix referencing, like how we can able to use a copy function and what are the reference copies that you can use. So let me go to the PyCharm integrated development environment. So here you can see I have a program called I have set of functions, pprint function. So it imports the pprint function from the pprint module. So these are called modules and functions called as pretty print. So I'm just using a module called pprint. So it's just importing, and I'm just using it as a pretty print because I want to get it in the matrix format. And there is also one more function called copy. I'm just using to make sure that I want to use in this library. And I have a nums2d variable, and I'm assigning a set of integers in that kind of list format in the matrix format. So I have like a 0 1 3 rows, and I have set of columns like the 2d rows and columns. Now I want to access an element in this matrix. How we can able to access any element? First let me show, if I just print the variable, how it looks. So I'm just using nums2d before accessing any element. So I'm just so here if it just shows the first row, second row and third row. Here you can see how it shows, but I want to access the element 17. How we can able to access? So I can say print, give the name of the list, name of the array list name, and then you have to specify the position. I want to access 17. So the array position starts from 0th. So 0. So first you need to give the row number 0, 1 and 2. So it's a second row, and the 17th is at the position 0 and 1, first position. So I just need to specify. So I'm getting the 17. First you need to specify the first element. You need to specify is a row number, that is always starts with 0 in the list, and then the position of the element in which it's situated, 0 and 1. And that's how it is easy to create, to get any position from the element. And then next, now I want to replace the 17 with some other element. So what I can do, I can just specify like this, the position, the row number 2 and 1, assign it with any number. I want to replace the 17 with -5. Then I'm just printing print misunderstood. So I am just showing before inserting the new element and after inserting. So before inserting the 17, it was 17, and after inserting, the value of the element is changed to -5. You can see. So this is what how you can do the matrix manipulation on the set of integers. Now I want to use the same kind of functions on the set of strings or set of characters. So I will take a variable called letters, and I will assign with set of characters. So A, B, so C, D, and then E. So we have 5 characters are there. Now I want to access the elements in the list. So suppose I want to this is a single 1D matrix. So this is only one dimensional matrix, but I want to create a 2-dimensional matrix. So I can just say letters underscore 2D. I just say letters and then just show it in the form of print So here I'm using three set of rows. So we got three set of rows and columns. Now I want to access any element. Now I want to, so you can just use the row number, like if you want to access the row element. Now I want to replace the element of A with element of A with F. So what I can do, I can just say letters under 2D and give the row number. So the row is on position 0 and give the element position, it's at 0, and then I want to replace with F. So I'm just giving the 0th row and 0th 0th character position, and then now I want to see print as understood. Like if you see here, if I'm just saying the position of F and I'm changing the position at the 0th row, but you know, if you see, it has been changed, the F has been changed for every row and every column. Like you can see the F position, I just put 0 and 0 position. So here it's not copying all the things, it's just referencing the copies, because what we created is, first we created a single dimensional matrix and then we referenced those things in the list, like letters. So we created three types of lists that are being referenced. So now what I want to use, I want to use a copy function. So if you just use a copy function, it will be just copied and it will be just showing the effect only on the position that you specify. Suppose if you are specifying the first row or the second row or any row or any character position that you're showing, it will show only the effect only on that thing. So what I will do, I'll just use a function called copy. So I'll just use copy letters. And then print letters of 2D, and then I'm just saying the things, and then I'm just showing the execution. So here you can see I'm just saying the first 0th position, 0th row and the 0th position of the A is being replaced by F. So it's being showing affecting on the first row, but the second row and the third but the first row and the second row are not being affected. So this is what the how you can able to use a copy function in referencing. So the main difference is you have to use a copy function if you want to just change the position on the specific row on the specific character position. And thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Take care.